Officially made it to Miami.
Yes.
Early. It's what, 6 o'clock in the morning?
Very early.
But it's here. Our 5-day birthday trip. Weekend, yeah. It's officially here. The hair is full in effect.
Yes, the humidity has hit the hair.
For me, I feel like it's done the same, but again, through the convertible and just, yeah, the heat, the wind, the humidity, it's actually not bad. I've dealt with worse. But here it is, Key West. I like it.
These are really good.
Did you try that?
No.
Yeah, try that.
That's oh yeah, maybe I should have had coffee. I like mine better though.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's one right there. Hello.
Rooster. Hello, rooster. Oh no, we're scared people. He's like, don't
touch me. Hey, it's following us. Yeah.
Oh, can I make a friend?
I think so.
Either that or an enemy. I either made a friend or an enemy.
I don't know.
It doesn't seem to want to attack me.
Not yet.
Thanks.
It's a racing chicken. You made a friend.
I made a friend!
Oh, no. Actually, he sees the food cart. He's like, ooh, ooh. I think that's probably what it is. He realizes, like, ooh, it's a food cart. There's another
We'll
one.
find out. Yep, there's the food cart.
Yep.
Oh, my hopes have been shattered. I don't have a chicken friend. We're gonna have to take some pictures.
Absolutely. Oh, God, there's a line.
Yep. What is this other one? It's not too bad. You wanna wait?
Sure. Kind of back there behind the southernmost point of the U.S. There you go, work it. Here we are, 90 miles away from Cuba.
When?
Should we go to Havana?
Care for a swim?
How about an inflatable raft? Kind of makes you wonder what's hidden behind those walls. U.S. government property here. It's right there. What secrets are there lying here on Key West, again 90 miles away from Cuba?
Keeping an eye on Cuba.
That's true. Making sure they don't do anything crazy.
Again.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Again.
Even though Fidel's gone, it's like, hey, Keep mind your P's and Q's, Cuba. I love it.